Elite Movers was established in 2003. Our service, your peace of mind. We provide relocation of commercial premises, industrial sites, data centers, residential homes, and more. Our team consists of experienced and skillful professionals that will make your move smooth and efficient. Necessary tools and equipment will be provided to ensure that you have a peace of mind. Let me show you how to tape your boxes for packing. First, turn the box around and ensure the word Elite Movers is upside down. Fold the shorter flaps of the box first, followed by the longer flaps. Using the tape provided, tape down the side of the box. Ensure that you tape the box both horizontally and vertically. Next, fill the box with your items. Remember, if you got any form of liquids, ensure that they are taped or tightened to prevent any spillage. If you have any fragile items, wrap them with bubble wrap provided. When you are done packing, seal the box the same way. Last of all, write and place the label at the allocated spot on the box. Thank you for your time. Elite Movers, our service, your peace of mind.